What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Tomorrow is our day. It's the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Flip 4, Buds 2 Pro, Watch 5 and 5 Pro, and we are going to go live when this happens. Now, it starts at 6 a.m. my time, so I'm going to literally wake up, roll in. I'm going to have to fix my hair. That's a joke. I don't even have any. And I'm going to be live with you guys on the channel, talking to you guys. I will not be showing the show live. I will get a copyright strike and they'll take the channel down. I can't show that, but I'll be giving you live feedback about what I think about it. So what you could do is use me as a companion piece and talk to me while you watch the show on your phone, and then maybe watch me on your computer, or I don't know, look at someone's blog and then talk to me. I don't know, whatever you want to do, but that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, talking about the event live. I also will let you know that during the event, hopefully it ends in 2 hours because I have to bring my son to school a little after 8. So between 6 and 8, I can't imagine they're going to make the show longer than 2 hours. If they do, it's absolutely ridiculous. So hopefully they won't. But just be forewarned that I might have to run away from my desk for a couple of minutes and then come back. But ultimately, we are going live tomorrow, so make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have notifications turned on. And we're going to get into the tech news in 3, 2, 1. First story of the day is this. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. We talked about battery life and things like that, but what is real life battery looking like and real life battery sizes on this device looking like with active noise cancellation and all of that stuff? Well, we've got a great piece of information from Roland Kwan, who is a great resource to us, saying the battery case is 515 milliamps. The active noise cancellation is negative 35 decibels, so it's going to block out 35 decibels of sound from the outside noise to lock in the sound that you hear in the earbuds. 5 hours of playback with active noise cancellation on, and 8 hours without active noise cancellation on. And we know some of those stats, but active noise cancellation battery life we didn't know. So if you put active noise cancellation on, you're only going to get 5 hours of battery life. Not that great. I'll be honest with you though, the only time I ever listen to that much is when I'm on a plane, and I don't fly all that often. I fly maybe, especially that far, once a year, maybe twice a year. And what I do is when I go to the bathroom, I take the earbuds out, I throw them in the case, close it up, and then that 5 minutes adds on another hour of battery life. So I'm set. I never run out of battery life with my buds when I'm on a plane, even though the flight might be a little bit more than 5 hours. So that's something you could do to extend the battery life for those buds. Next up is about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 Burgundy, aka red color. We haven't seen any press renders or anything about that color, and we're wondering where is it? What's happening with it? Is it even coming out? And it looks like Roland Kwan asked that question, and our good friend Ross Young, who we have had on the channel and interviewed and knows a lot about the supply of the phones, is saying production starts on the red Burgundy Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August. It will be hard to get, very limited volumes, but more than 1,000 units. Well, hopefully it's more than 1,000 units, because that's not a lot at all. So it seems like if you want the red one, it's probably going to be delayed until after the actual launch of the phone. It sounds like it'll be one of those things where they'll launch the phone and release it in the end of August, but then you won't be able to get the cool colors until early September. That's my guess. That's what it's looking like. And it also seems like it'd be very difficult to get. Next up is this. Ice Universe put this photo out of the front covers of the Fold 2, Fold 3, Fold 4. And what do you guys think? Which one do you think looks the best? I kind of like just looking at these. I like when people put up comparison photos and it looks like a good render. For me, obviously the Fold 2 and Fold 3 are basically identical in the way that they look. Fold 4 is really the difference here, where it's shorter, fatter, and less hinge on the left. And for the win, I gotta give the Fold 4, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And our last story of the day is about the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 2, a competitor to the Fold 3 and 4, and in a lot of ways is better than those phones. Now, we'll have to admit that this phone is only going to come out in China, so if you're gonna want it, you're gonna have to import it, and you're gonna have to turn off Chinese language and install probably Google Play Store and all that stuff. Not the most great thing to do, but it is something you would have to do. Add on to that, before we even talk about, actually, let's just dive into this video. And when you look at this, the big thing that pops out to you is how sleek and skinny it is. I guess it's only 0.5 millimeters thick, which is very, very thin. And it's thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Fold 4. So it's definitely thinner than that. And then you add on to it 67 watt wired charging, a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, up to 1 terabyte of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM, has Samsung displays built into it, and it's probably gonna have great cameras as well. And I just don't know why these companies can't bring these out to America or Europe or other places that where English is the primary language, so it's like set up in an American or westernized kind of way. It looks really cool though, and it's coming. They're going to announce it, I believe, the day after Galaxy Z Fold 4 officially, but this is an official video that they've released. So what do you guys think of the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 2? Let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.